CarPlay and Android Auto retrofit kit. Today we've installed it into a CCC iDrive and an E60 BMW 5 Series, and we're going to now show you how to switch between the iDrive and CarPlay. We do that by pressing and holding menu. So we press and hold menu and we switch into CarPlay. CarPlay is now active and on screen, and it's going to be controlled by the iDrive controller. So as we scroll, we can see here the phone is connected wirelessly. It's actually the phone taking the video. So as you can see, even with the video being recorded and CarPlay running wirelessly, there is no lag at all on the system. We get control of all the usual apps. It's an OEM integration, Spotify for example, and also, by the way, I pressed menu to get back there. We also get Google Maps, we get Waze, etc. Let's just load Waze up. Sound quality is fantastic. We use an excellent quality DSP and audio amplifier output using the aux input on the iDrive system. And like many implementations of Retrofit CarPlay, the quality on this system is fantastic and really will complement even an aftermarket upgraded sound system. So the sound quality is just truly fantastic. The unit will wirelessly pair with the phone as you sit in the car, so it automatically will be loaded up on screen, and you can switch between CCC and CarPlay by pressing and holding the menu button. It really is a fantastic system, very stable, using high quality components on the circuit boards, etc., and fully tested before leaving our factory in Leicester. Thank you.